Hi everybody, I'm Dr. Lindsay Fisher from Total Performance Physical Therapy. I just wanted to pop in. First of all, I hope everyone has a very happy holiday next week. But before we get into that, I want to show you 4 simple exercises to help strengthen your knee. So if you're having knee pain, these are the 4 staple exercises that we're going to give to most patients that walk in here. They're ones that you can simply do at home. You can do in a clinic, you can do in a gym. Very, very simple to do. All you need is a floor or a bed or a table. Okay, so Hannah's going to be my dummy here. She's going to come over to the table. The first one is called a straight leg raise. So one knee is going to be bent, the other leg is going to be straight, toe brought back, and she's just going to raise that leg up even with the other side. You do not need to come all the way up here. Just even with the other side and then back down. So normally, go ahead and try that. Normally I'd say do about 3 sets of 10 of these. That's strengthening the front of the thigh. That's gonna help with knee pain. If you're weak in this area, it could be causing a lot of stress and strain on the knee. So we need to strengthen the hip. So that's the first one. Go ahead and do just a couple more. So she's gonna raise up and back down. And she would do the exact same thing on the other side, okay? So once again, 3 sets of 10 is pretty good to start. You can add ankle weights to this to make it more difficult, but start with this. You'll feel the first 10 might be easy, the second 10 and the third 10 might get a little bit harder. So the next one is hip abduction, okay? So now working the side of the hip. We already worked the front of the hip, now we're working the side. She's on her side, bottom leg is bent, top leg. A lot of people will cheat, bring that leg forward, and it's a much easier exercise because you're using a lot of other muscles that are a lot stronger. Make sure your foot is in line with your body. So I know it's hard for you to tell from this angle, but her leg is in line with the rest of her body. She's gonna raise that leg up and back down. Once again, you don't need to come up all the way to here, but just up and down, 3 sets of 10, okay? And that's strengthening the side of the hip. This is what keeps our knee healthy, pain-free, and a lot of the times this is the weakest area on our body. So that's the next one. The third exercise is on her belly. So now we've already worked the front of the hip, we've worked the side of the hip, now we're working the back, the glutes. So she's just lying on her belly, straight leg. She's gonna squeeze her glute muscle, squeeze her bottom muscle, and raise her leg up towards the sky, and then back down. Not a big movement. Very, very small movement, but she's probably feeling quite the burn in her glute right now. So that's number 3, okay? The last one, she would actually flip on the other side and face me. However, for sake of the video, I'm gonna have her facing the camera. So top leg is up and over, bent and flat, foot is flat on the table. The bottom leg, she's just gonna raise up and back down. Not a big movement with this one. It's a very awkward motion. It's the Jane Fonda motion, but she's working the inner thigh now. So we've already worked the front, the side, the back, and now she's working the inner thigh. So once again, 3 sets of 10 of all of these. You'll feel the burn after about 10. And that is the simple, staple 4 exercises for knee pain. Please try them. They're very, very effective. And you can always add weight to it if you need. So that's it. Have a great holiday, and I'll see you next week. Thank you.